If calculator is allowed, what a problem it is. So simple. But you know, when in exam, no calculator is allowed and you have to solve. So we are going to discuss with two different methods. One is quick and other shows the magic of algebra. So stay with me till the end and choose which method you follow. First of all, in this square root, we can see 48, 49, 50, 51. Sequential numbers are there, consecutive numbers are there. So what I am doing here, always zero kind of numbers are easy to solve. So what we prefer that let's take, I'm denoting x as 50 just to make it simple. First we are discovering the beauty of algebra and then we'll do the direct method, okay, because that everybody can do. So here I'm taking let x is equals to 50. So when 50 is x, so 48 we know that it is less than 2 na? With 50, so I can write x minus 2. For 49 what we can write? X minus 1. And for 51 it is x plus 1. So now in the next step we are going to convert the square root in terms of x. So 48 is x minus 2, x minus 1, x plus 1 plus 1. So this we have to solve. Now what I am thinking that I have to make such combination of these four products 1, 2, 3, 4, these four, so that I should get similar kind of thing in a bracket. So what I am doing here, I am assigning x and x minus 1 together for multiplication and x minus 2 and x plus 1 together. You must be thinking why I am selecting so. So you will realize in the next step. Just see what I am doing here. I am writing x into x minus 1 together and then x plus 1 and x minus 2 together. Separately what we will do, we will multiply them and then we will put the value, okay. So x into x minus 1, when we multiply this, so what will happen? This will be x times x will be x square minus x. And when we multiply the next two brackets, x plus 1 and x minus 2, so you do one by one, you know how to multiply two brackets, I'm sure. So this will be x times x is x square and x times 2 is negative will be there because of minus sign, so minus 2x. Then we are going to multiply 1 with rest of the 2, so this will be plus x and minus 2. Middle term will be solved, so x square minus x minus 2. This is the simplification of multiplication of these two brackets. So now let's put these values in the previous step. So when we substitute here in place of x into x minus 1, what value we obtained? It is x squared minus x, right? And for the next two brackets multiplication, we have obtained x squared minus x minus 2. Why we have assigned such combination? You can see the beauty of this step. What is the beauty? This is the same term we have obtained. Again we'll take any name, simple name, to make it more simple. So p equals to x squared minus x if I am taking. So let's substitute here in the next step. So it will be p into p minus 2 plus 1. Oh, such a simple square root now. Okay, multiply p inside, so it will be p square minus 2p plus 1. So I'm just rewriting the terms so that I can plug into one standard formula. Anything multiplied by 1 is same, so I'm just taking 1 as in multiplication, and for 1 I'm writing 1 square. So what is the beauty of this step? It is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Actually this is expansion of a minus b whole square. So how I can write that expanded term? We can write it as p minus 1 whole square. Now we know that square and square root, they actually cancel out each other. So this will be now p minus 1. much simplified form. But for p minus 1, what is p? So we have to substitute it back in this step. So value of p is what? X square minus x. You can go back and check. In place of p, we can put x square minus x, and minus 1 is like that. What is x? Initially we have substituted x as 50. So this is 50 square minus 50 minus 1. Wow, 50 square, yeah, it is comparatively simple. 5 square is 25, 0 square is 20, minus 50 minus 1. And when you subtract 2500 and 50, you will get 2450 minus 1, and when you subtract 1, you will get 2449. So this is the answer without using calculator and by going through the beauty of algebra. We have obtained this answer. But let's now hop to the second method, which is actually those who are good at multiplication. So they can go for it, no problem. But yes, of course, weightage is very important. So writing again the question which is given here, it is square root of 48, 49, 50, 51. I just love such kind of problems. So they are having a synchronization. So what we are going next, we have to multiply, but again combination is important. If you don't select the correct combination, you will not get such easy solution. You can multiply 48, 49, 50, 51, then add 1. That you can also do, but we will do simplification, but with a certain combination that will give us a good answer. So what I am doing here, I am combining 48 and 51, and next combination we are taking as 49 and 50. So here we are doing just manual multiplication. I am writing the steps. I hope you are going to follow. So we have obtained multiplication of these numbers. So we are putting in the next step. So 48 into 51, in one bracket I am writing 2448, and next multiplication value we are writing 2450 plus 1. Now there must be question in your mind why we have selected those two. So you know what is the main thing? Main thing is that you can see that it is number 48 and this is 50. So I can write these numbers as 2449. Actually this is minus 1, because when you subtract 1 from 49 you will get 48, and 2449 plus 1 you will get 50. So in this way we get such combination sort of numbers. So that will help us to apply the formula, which is a minus b into a plus b. So we can write it as a squared minus b squared. So I can write this bracket as inside square root, of course. It will be 2449 square minus 1 square. But this one is like that. We are following like that. Okay. So 1. Now minus 1 square is, it is 1 only, and 1, and here negative sign, and this is positive sign, so they are going to cancel out. Now what is left? It is square root of 2449, and this is square. So again we know that square and square root, they cancel out each other. So what value we obtained by direct method? This is 2449. So students, I hope you understood, and please follow accordingly. See you in next video. Bye bye.